how to log into Amazon Prime Video account. So without any further ado, let's start this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer. Here I'm going with Google Chrome. After that, on your search URL, type in primevideo.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Then you will be taken to this interface. Now to log in, head over to the left hand side. There you will get two options as sign in or start your free trial for the registration. Since we already have an account, so click on sign in button. That will navigate you to the sign in page. So first of all, enter your valid email or your phone number that you have used while registering on Amazon. Or if you don't have an Amazon account yet, you can create your Amazon account by clicking on this button here, and that will help you out to create a new account. And if you're done typing in your email or your phone number, then click on continue. Now you have to enter your password. So make sure you enter your correct password. If you want to save in your login information for the next time you try to log in, then click on this checkbox that says keep me sign in. That will save your login information. Now, once you're done typing in your password, click on sign in button. Then you'll be logged into your account. And that's how you can log into Amazon Prime Video account. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.